Today I'll show you an amazing trick. Do you want to add your own photo to your phone dialer's home screen? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine opening your phone dialer and seeing your picture in the background. It looks cool and makes your phone dialer unique. In this video, I'll explain the step by step. It's very easy and anyone can do it. So watch till the end and don't skip any steps. Let's get started. First, go to the Play Store. Now search for Designer Tools Pro. You will see the app, so download it. I have already downloaded the app, so I'll open it. Here, you can see the interface of the app. Now click on Mockup Overlay and allow the permissions. Find Designer Tools Pro in the list and allow it. Now go back. Next, click on Portrait. After that, upload your image. Now go to the settings and increase the opacity to 100%. If you want, you can move the image vertically and also horizontally. Now the image is successfully added. You can see it here. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you add your picture to the phone dialer, please like it. For more helpful and fun videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or ideas, write them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.